This video is part of the audio description for beginners course. In the last video, we learned how to manage projects in Closed Caption Creator. In this video, we'll explore the virtual voice manager where you can preview and pin your favorite voices. Let's get started. The audio description plugin includes access to over 100 voices from Amazon, Google, and Microsoft. These synthetic voices can be used for creating audio descriptions and describe video. To select voices for your project, go to the Voices tab in the QuickTools panel. If the Voices tab is missing or it's not visible, you may need to go to the QuickTools settings in the Options window. Here you can enable the missing panel and then click Save Changes. The Voices tab will be empty when you first start. To preview and select voices, open the Virtual Voice Manager by clicking the menu icon on the right. The Virtual Voice Manager is where you can search and find voices that fit your project. Voices can be filtered by language, gender, and service provider. The Preview text box allows you to insert your own text block for previewing. Click the play button below any record to preview the voice.
Hello world, how are you doing today?
Hello world, how are you doing today?
Once you find a few voices you like, you can pin them by clicking the pin icon. Pinned voices will appear in the Voices tab inside the QuickTools panel.
Hello world, how are you doing today?
To assign a voice to an event, simply select the event and click the voice thumbnail. The selected voice will appear on the top left corner of the event, just below the event ID. Certain voices will have voice styles. Styles will appear in the drop-down list below the selected voice. By this point, you should have a few voices pinned and be ready to start creating your audio description scripts. In the next video, we'll continue to learn more about AD events and start writing.